we're getting prepared. We can't get it.
Get him to make that noise.
I don't know what to do. Come on, little peanut.
Speak.
Come on, little peanut.
He doesn't like being held like.
How do I hold him?
Yeah, like. Oh.
Oh my gosh, where's his head?
Maybe, I don't know.
What was that?
Stop messing with me.
Maybe if I shake him.
You don't shake babies, Stephanie.
You can make him retarded syndrome. Why do you think Bear's the way he is? Sir. Earmuffs, Bear.
It's like one of those dinosaurs that you squeeze and it makes a noise.
It sounds like a little bit.
Is that his bark?
Get it, Bear. Get it. He's trying to fight his tail.
Oh my gosh.
Sounds like a cranky old woman.
He's not happy camper.
Okay, let me give you back to your daddy because I'm making you cry.
Hey, go to bed.
Bear, come with Mama Bear. Oh my gosh, you're so fat.
So
Make a noise
huge.
like that, Bear?
See, no, but I'll lick your face. Excuse me, Flo? Bear's like, I don't know. I don't know if I like what's happening right now.
I've never been around puppies.
What, Bear?
Bear, you're still a puppy.
Bear, why don't you make noises like that?
He thinks he's a person, not a real dog.
He's still fluffy.
Yeah.
Sweet looking at. You doing all right, buddy?
Yeah,
You're
You ever?
bored, see?
Yeah, but also making me cry.
You're so cruel.
Cry.
CPS.
Oh, my little beard. You're not so little compared to that guy.
So who you calling little? I'm sorry, buddy.